How to enable Gmail sync on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Gmail sync on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, just scroll down all the way to the bottom, and there you'll see the option labeled as accounts and sync. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside this section, what you can do is you can just scroll down all the way to the bottom, and there you'll see the option labeled as Google. So there you can just tap on sync option beside that Google, and here once you do that, your Gmail will be synced with the Android. But first, or before doing that, make sure that you have selected a correct Gmail for your account as well. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.